Welcome to Lesson 82. Your stakeholders just want to know if the AI is good, but good means totally different things depending on the job. If you can't explain these three metrics, you'll build a model that looks great on paper but ruins the actual product. You have to pick your poison. Do you want false alarms that waste time or missed targets that lose sales? Let's forget math for a second and imagine you're out on a boat with a giant fishing net. You pull the net up. On one side, you have your catch, which includes tasty bass, an old boot, and some seaweed. On the other side, you have the ocean with millions of fish swimming right past you. Now you have to figure out if you actually did a good job fishing today. Precision asks, out of everything in your net, what percentage is actually fish? This checks if your net is clean. Recall asks, out of all the fish in the ocean, what percentage did you actually catch? This checks if you missed the big ones. The F1 score is the referee. It blends precision and recall into one number, so you can't cheat by just using a tiny net. If you use a net with super tiny holes, you'll catch a few fish and 0 boots, giving you perfect precision but terrible recall. If you use a massive trawler net, you'll catch every fish in the sea, but you'll also drag up old tires and shopping carts. The F1 referee blows the whistle on both extremes, forcing you to find a net that catches enough fish without filling the boat with trash. But here's where the metaphor breaks. In fishing, a boot is just a boot. In AI, a false alarm might cost $1 million. That's the real nuance. Because in the real world, precision and recall don't have equal value. Say you're building a spam filter for a hospital's email system. High precision means you never block a real email, but you let some spam through. High recall means you block every single spam message, but you might block a doctor's note. So which do you choose? You pick precision for hospitals and recall for spam blogs. Your first move is to ask the stakeholder what hurts more, a false alarm or a missed target. Then, tell engineering to tune the model for that specific pain. Second, change how you report. Never say the model is 90% accurate. Say, we catch 90% of fraud, but review 10% of legit transactions. Just remember this cheat sheet. Precision is about trust. Recall is about coverage. F1 is the compromise. Accuracy is a vanity metric. Precision and recall are the actual business levers. Next up, we'll look at how to build a golden data set so you can actually measure these things. Stop arguing about accuracy and start negotiating the cost of being wrong. See you in Lesson 83.